Spin and angle-observed photoemission spectroscopy, the so-called SARPES, is a powerful technique to investigate solid-state electric structures, including their spin information. In our method, we combine this technique with the Polarization-Variable 7eV laser, which enables us to determine the electron spin structures very precisely.
SARPES was generally performed with synchrotron radiation or noble gas discharge lamp. Compared to this method, using a polarization-variable 7eV laser is a large improvement.
The polarization of the laser beam can be easily controlled using a wave plate. By using this property, we can completely change the behavior of electron spin, which is sensitive to the light polarization.
The photoelectron spin direction depends on the light polarization, and that shows many physical meanings, such as spin-orbit coupling and spin interference. For this reason, our technique can be widely used for studying condensed matter physics.
To begin, cut single crystal samples of bismuth selenide and use a silver-based epoxy to glue them to a sample holder. Once the epoxy has cured, place a piece of Scotch tape onto the surface of the samples. Then, transfer the sample magazine into the ultra-high vacuum load lock and start the pump until the pressure of the load lock is lower than 1 × 10⁻⁵ Pascal. Next, open the ultra-high vacuum valve between the load lock and the preparation chamber and move the sample magazine from the load lock to the preparation chamber using the